Alright folks, here it is with my rear swing away open. It's mounted and everything like that. Mounts great. Not really worried about the weight or anything like that. There's going to be a thing of water in the back. My tongue weight is like 350 pounds or something like that on this vehicle. So, I mean, this thing itself can support 250 pounds, and this thing's definitely not going to go over 250 pounds. Let me show you what I got in here. Not very much yet. I got a couple things like my nozzle and faucet and stuff like that that's going to fit on there, and I'm going to tuck it to the side when it's not in use. And believe it or not, it stays pretty chill on the inside of that. My fire burning stuff will be over here on this side. Or other storage supplies for camping. I folded the table up. That small table would be awesome when I need to get in here or whatever. This thing will work perfect. So happy with that. So yeah, it's not perfectly level, but oh well. But there it is. The inside's looking good. I pulled my solar generator out just because it's about 98 degrees today. It's warm. So I put it inside where it's a little bit cooler, even though I wasn't running it. My next couple of things are that I'm going to install some shore power. Right through here, there's a plug in the bottom that goes below here. I'm going to cut a small hole in it, and I'm going to run a extension cord and stuff and zip tie it up through the bottom. And have another one on the other side for the, shore power in case if I ever am at a campsite where I can use it, rather than relying on my solar panel and everything else to do the work. So yeah, this is basically it. I think it looks really good, and I'm really excited to finish it up. I got a couple of final modifications that I want to do. Storage is next. I don't know what to use for storage, and between those two chairs up there, I want to put my shoe rack up there. So yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching.